Hello kids and welcome in this new video where we are going to discuss some more interesting things about animals. So here is the third part of our video. In first two parts we have discussed many things about animals. So let us see which things are now remaining for this. Okay? So again we are going to discuss some more types of animals and now these are based on the food habits of these animals. So, depending on what kind of food they consume or what kind of food they do like to eat, let us see what are the different types of animals and their different food habits. Okay, so the first type of animals, according to their food habit, is herbivores. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants. They need a lot of energy to stay alive. Many have to eat all day long to get enough energy. Some herbivores have a special digestive system, so they are able to eat grasses as well. So definitely these animals, those who are only living on plants, they are called as herbivores. So let's see which are the animals who are herbivores. Yes, the giant rhinoceros, even a cow and elephant, the giraffe, the yak and zebra, the rabbit, hippopotamus, the deers, camel, rodents, and buffaloes. All these are the animals, though they are somehow large or we can say huge in size, but they live or they feed only on the plants to get energy. Okay, so they are called as herbivore animals. Now, the next is the second type, that is carnivores. A carnivore is an animal that gets its food from eating other animals. They are also called as meat eaters, such as lions and tigers. Okay, so yes, let's see. Okay, the seal is there, the penguins, the tiger, we can say, sorry, the lion is there, the fox and the wolf is there, the hyena is there, the sharks are there, eagles, the crocodile, the cheetah is there, and even the snakes. So these are all the examples of carnivores animals, those who feed on other animals for their food. So the next one is omnivores. Omnivores are the animals that eat both plants and other animals. Many will eat the eggs of other animals. Some omnivores are scavengers, which means they eat the dead animals or the dead bodies of the other animals. Most will eat plants that produce fruit and vegetables. They also eat the fruit and vegetables as well. So, definitely, they are having both the things, plants as well as other animals for their food. Such animals are called as omnivores animals. So, which are that omnivores? Yes, a pig, the dog and a cat, the fox, the sloth and the bear, even human being as well. We are the omnivores. We eat both plants as well as other animals for our food. Next is classification of animals based on the food habits. So I have given here a combined picture for to get the correct information, which are herbivores, which are carnivores, and which are the omnivores. Okay, so herbivores we can see the cow, the goats, the giraffe, the elephant, even the rabbit. In carnivores, we can see the lion, the tiger, the fox is there, the spider is there, the eagle is there, and the shark is also present over there. And in terms of omnivores, the middle part, yes, there is a bear, there is a fox, there is a sparrow, there is, we can say, a pig, and there is a human being as well. So, it is the classification of animals based on their food habits. Okay, now moving next in this slide. Yes, now we will see some more information about animals and their young ones. As we know, animals they are the living beings and they give birth to their young ones. So let's see what are the different animals and their names of babies. So the dog has the small one that is called a puppy. The chicken has the small that is a chick. The cat has a kitten, the duck has its duckling, the sheep has the lamb, cow has its calf, deer has its fawn, lion is having its lion cub, where the tiger is having its tiger cub, the horse is having a foal, a pig is having a piglet, and a kangaroo is having a joy. Okay, so these are the different names of the animals and their young ones, or we can say their babies. Okay, but there are some animals, those who directly not give birth to their young ones, but instead of that, they live or they give eggs. So, egg laying animals. Some animals, such as especially birds, we can say, some animals lay eggs, and after some days or after some time, babies hatch out of these eggs. These animals are called egg laying animals. Which are the egg laying animals? Yes, here is a salamander, that is a type of lizard, we can say, a tortoise, the peacock, the penguin, the raven, that is, we can say, a crow. Then there are snakes, octopus, frogs, butterflies, and echidna. So these are the different examples of animals, those who lay eggs, and from after some time from these eggs they will get hatched out and the young ones will be developed out from it. Next is about, yes, as we have seen, the we can say the places where the animals live. Then we see the different type of food habits of the animals. We have also discussed about how they reproduce or how they give birth to their young ones. So now let's see the animals and their homes, or how the animals are having their different shelters. Okay, so in this picture we can see an cow. We can see a cow, a lion is there. Then we can say a dog and a horse is there, and they have different types of homes for them, or we can say they have their different shelters. So let's see. Yes, in the next, for the hen we can build a coop. For a pig we can have pig stay. The birds are having their own nest. The frogs are living in the pond. The dog is living inside the kennel. The fishes, we can keep them in the aquarium, or we can say in the fish tank. The spider is having its own spider web. The sea is the home for different type of fishes, or we can say about for different type of water animals. The stable is for the horse. Now, the beehive is for the bees, the hutch is for the rabbits, the cage is for parrots or some other birds like pigeon, the cave is for the bats, the ant hill for the ants, the a pen is for the sheep, the den is for the bear, the mouse hole is for the mouse, and the tree hole is for the squirrel or some type of, we can say, birds. Okay, so here we have the quick, we can say, overview for the shelters of some of the animals. We can say not all. Now let's see what different type of sounds the animals can produce, or how different sounds they can make. The cow has having the sound of moo. The tiger growl. The duck quack. The bee buds. The mouse squeak. The bird tweets. And the cat says meow. The fox makes yelp. The dog barks like bow bow. Okay. The panda makes the sound of huff. Okay. So we have some other sounds for animals. For the bear, it will also growl. The honeybee makes its buzz. The giraffe makes its bleat. The cat is having mew, the cow is having its moo. The goat bleat, the dog bark, the duck makes quack. Elephants make a trumpet sound, the frog croak, the lion roars, and the monkey chatter. So these are the different sounds of few of the animals we have enlisted over here. You can also find it and make your own list. Yes? Okay. So now let us see, as we have seen different things about the animals, let us see when the animals are present in groups, when they are present many numbers together, what the names of the groups are called. Okay, so animals and their groups. Okay, so here I have a beautiful picture. The clutch of chicks, the flock or the brood of the hens, the gaggle of the geese, the bank of the swans, the pandemonium of the parrots, the herd of the cows, flock of sheep, the pride of lions, pack of wolves, the skulk of foxes, litter of kittens, troop of monkeys, caravan of the camels, the congregation of alligators, the baron of mules, the colony of the ants, the swarm of the bees, an army or the colony, we can say, or the knot of the frogs. Yes, a shoal of fish and a shoal or pod of dolphins. So these are the different, we can say, yes, groups of animals we have studied or we have enlisted. Now, as we have discussed so many things about animals, let us have a quick revision. Yes, a baby goat is called a dash. Let's see what are the options given. Is it a kid? Is it a lamb, a calf, or a joy? Yes, a baby goat is called a kid. So I can choose option number A. Because for the sheep, it is the lamb. For cow, it is the calf, and for a kangaroo, it is the joy. So these are the names of baby for the sheep, for the cow, and the kangaroo. Kid is the baby goat. So I have chosen option number A. Now, which one of the following is wrong match of animals and their homes? Okay, let's see. A pig lives in a pig pen, or we can say a pigsty. Pen, another name is pigsty. Okay, next. A squirrel lives in den, or we can say in a tree hole. That is a hiding place. Tree hole. Okay. A rabbit lives in hutch. That is a correct one. Yes, the small cage made for rabbits is called a hutch. The tiger lives in a lair. Yes, the tiger lives in a lair. That is a cave, we can see. So, option number next, none of these. Yes, none of these is the correct option. All are the correct one. We want to find a wrong match, but all are correct one. All are the correct one options. So, none of these is the wrong pair. Okay, next one. Frogs live on or in dash. As we know, frogs are amphibians. They can live on land as well as in water. Let's see what are the options. Option number one, option number A, that is land. Okay, option number B, that is water. Option number C, that is air. And option number D, both A and E. But E option is only not there given. So I can say option number A and option number B both are correct one. Option number E is not given. So both A and E. But E one option we don't have. So both A and B, any one option you can give it correct, you will get the marks. Okay. So frogs can live on land as well as they can live in water. Next, group of lions is called a paddling, a pride, an army, or a troop. A group of lions is called a pride. Yes, I can choose Option number B. Okay, next one. Which of the following is not a home of horses? Not a home. Okay, a paddock, a stable, a stall, a stay, and none of these. Which of the following is not a home of horses? Yes, a paddock is again called a stable, another name of stable. So it is a correct one option. Stable, that is a place for horses. A stall is also for horses. A stay is for pigs. It is for pigs. It is not the house for horses. So I can choose option number D. Option number D. Okay. So option number D, the stay is for pigs. It is not the house for horses. Next. Yes. So here we comes towards the end of this lesson. So keep studying and keep watching our new videos. Bye bye.